Okay, we're in Sleeping Dogs, a critically acclaimed video game that I've seen. It's like GTA in Hong Kong. Oh my god, he's dead. I killed him with his old Navy fit. Oh, you got a deal for me? What type of... Nah, I'm good. I'm good. DVD. Yo, my head hurts. There's so much happening. Get away from me. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Move. Move.
Winston, make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
Yeah, let me get a shish kebab in the back. I was like, oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go. We're just on the combo. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you can hit me back. You can hit me back, bro. You want the first, matter of fact? I'm so sorry. You know what? Who's gonna tell the difference? Who's really gonna tell the difference? If someone comes up to me and just like looks at my shoes, gets on the floor, sniffs it, and all, I'm kicking them. Look, I'm pressing the...
They're all good. Just pick one.
Listen, I'm trying to head out, lady. Yo, these games always messing up on me. I'm not trying to see the back muscles, man. I'm trying to get out. He's like showing me, oh yeah, look at the triceps. I'm not trying to see that. I'm trying to get out the game right now. Okay, all right, everything's working. All right, so basic. All right, we're gonna just continue. I might play some. Okay.
Boss, we were just leaving.
Oh yeah, they're trying to test me. They're trying to test me.
And it was just getting interesting too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you.
Oh, here we go.
How's your family, huh?
Yeah, me talking
What do you
about my
want,
sister.
dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Ong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be
Man, I
fighting
already
like
watched
children.
this, man. I'm so mad that they record.
Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen?
Now we gotta
Back
hear
when
this
you first
again.
started
Watch.
getting girls with big
Look what I'm
smiley.
talking about.
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock.
Wow.
Yeah, so what?
He looked me straight in my eyes saying that too.
And I was the
Making that
first guy
hope.
who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize.
You can't do that,
I'm
though.
really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Yeah, make sure you add some spit
Hey,
when you say that.
Tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't
Stop
mind giving her
talking
a
to me.
mouthful.
What? Oh my
He hasn't
god.
changed.
Man, get away from me.
Yeah, yes. Used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control,
Yeah.
not dog eyes.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it, boss.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Got you, man.
You
Now we
mentioned
here.
your sister back there.
Mimi?
The only
Yeah,
stop
she
talking
OD.
about my
She
sister.
OD'd years ago now.
Oh, okay.
We moved to
Okay,
the
I
States
forget.
and tried to
He's
kick
cool, he's
that
cool,
shit,
he's cool.
but
That
me know.
sucks. She was, you know,
Yeah, she was cool.
really alive.
my mother thought maybe a new city, new country. But the hooks were
Oh,
deep.
And
why you
once
throw that right
start
where I
on that
walk, bro?
shit, it's hard to
Yeah,
stop
watch what.
for anybody.
Where my
Yeah.
buttons at? Where my buttons?
When she started,
Oh man,
Respect me like
it was
that.
dog eyes that got her into it.
yep. Fucking dog eyes.
Oh, what?
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my
Yo.
best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Yeah, I feel that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Bring your friends. Maybe we can have a party.
Yeah, okay. What is that, a Red Bull? How is it? How is it? He hated it. Nah, that means he likes it. That means he likes it.
Special supplier.
You need to knock on my chest like a... Look at this, dude. Do something then. I'm trying to be Superman with it. Fix it, pose. The only problem right now is I'm playing with a PS4 controller. And they got Xbox buttons on it.
Music problem.
Okay, thank you, man. Oh, I'm gonna get a raise.
Just come ask.
Yeah, no problem, man. Oh, I didn't mean to. I'm.
Just like the movie.
Yo. How's that? How was it? How was it?
Movie super cheap.
He's in love. I'm not even gonna bother him. Oh. Yo, there's a lot going on, man. Oh, I didn't mean to. Oh my. I'm so sorry. Yo, there's a lot. How do I run? How do I run? Get me out of here, bro. There's so many people talking.
Hey,
Damn.
you wanna do the talking?
My fault for headbutting your whole merchandise.
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog I said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
You, man, this dude. Matter of fact, come on, man. Oh, my fault. I gotta do something else. Come over. Oh. Ah.
I will pay.
Right in the chest. You won't be able to breathe no more.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog I won't be happy.
Okay, I do remember playing this. I wish I got. I'm gonna just add my these clips. I'm just add clips of me talking for a second.
I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston.
He
You're
gonna
gonna pay him.
no,
You
he don't
understand?
give me no
Go
trouble.
tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass.
Oh.
Hey, fellas! Troops are
Oh.
moving in on your territory.
Oh.
Come on, guys.
Damn.
Kick his ass.
Wait, how do I? Oh, try that again. Oh, I got it. It's up now. Oh, it's up now. This me for real. Oh, nah, you gotta be faster than that, bro.
What kind of protection is this? Beat them up.
Ooh, look at him with the stands. Hit him with the damn,
Come on, get back up.
bro. I got him looking like he's carrying something. What are you carrying? You're stupid. That's gonna be your stand next. So what's it gonna be?
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this.
Hey, now you know. Now you know. Let's just get through this. Oh! Oh, good. Just gotta beat him up again.
Anyone under our protection.
I'm ready. Oh, he came out of nowhere. Oh, his leg is done. Oh, his leg. Oh, yeah, I'm ready. Oh, you thought you got. Nope. Try again. Nope. Try again. Alright. Oh, there we go. Come over here.
You go tell Dog Eyes he's working.
Oh, he tried to steal my. He tried to steal my kill. What's it gonna be?
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment.
Damn, that's
Maybe he had a drug habit or something.
cool story, bro. I already
make
know.
sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
One of us.
All right, there we are. All right.
To maintain.
This
Only the
is
best
where
man.
I.
You gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
This is where I got up
Definitely.
to.
It's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is.
How do you run?
Judge you by how you look.
Oh, there we go.
It's
Oh.
never
Oh, my bad. You pick your nose? Yo, stop doing that. Oh, I'm about to. Don't worry about me.
Close here.
That's it. We browse. All right, so this is where this is it. We're back
Can
where
I
we were.
interest you in some better clothes?
Yep, this is what I got. This is
Come
what I got.
again.
This. Oh, these are the sneakers, the
Come
Fugazis.
again.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
Look at this. Look how clean I look now. With the tank top showing off the tats. But she already looking at me differently. What's good? Everyone eyeing me now. Yeah. Oh, look at her. Look. Even he want some of me. I'm out here. And I look good. Need some damn food. Oh yeah, I did this. Let's get my healing up. Let me get my healing up. Show that respect. Yep. Yes, sir.
You want to tell Harry what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Man, let's just fight already. What's good? You need help?
Can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
Oh, easy.
You might want to hurry. I heard Dog Guys are sending reinforcements. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Okay, I'm gone. Oh, I'm so sorry. Was it the iPhone 6s?
Want some new clothes?
No, excuse me. Oh. Yo, I gotta go. You people moving too slow. Oh, I'm so.
You want new clothes? Why don't you let
The new guy around?
Oh God. They're all wearing the same thing. Oh, who's this? No, I gotta get rid of him first. Oh, they're all like that. They all build like that. Oh gosh, the lights went off. The lights in my room just went off. I don't know what's going on. You're gonna attack me in real life too. Oh! Oh man. Oh! Yo, deal with this, dude. My. Look at me. That's how you really do it. That's it. Look. I'm ready for it. Look at the stance. Now look. You thought you really had something with that kid. Look, he's coming. Just finish it. Oh my god. Now he can't walk no more. Ribs, chin, done. None. Bro, he hit me too hard. Yo, help! Ah, I can't see. Oh damn, I messed him up. Okay. Whoa! Damn, I caught you mid-air. Oh, we try to grapple me. Hit him with the heavy. Done. You're done. Hold on. I think he's not a part of it. All I see is red. That's not on me. Finish them all. Got that spine all twisted up. Hey, how's it going?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
I like it. You're right. Okay, level 1. Got $200. Easy.
Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Hungry.
Nothing. I came straight to you.
That's so damn.
Didn't want to start anything major without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly.
That is not white rice. I really thought.
I thought, why not?
Okay.
Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Gatan is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Man, I got you. Let's go. Let's go handle business. Can I get a bowl to go though? You want me to drop bodies, but you're not gonna buy me some food. She let Matt. I'm not bumping into her. You got it. She the boss. She the real boss. All right, well, where I gotta go? Oof, let me get a bag. Everyone eating good. Man, I'm the only one. Soon that'll be me. Oh! Move! Yo, what's up? Look at him trying to be. Look. Oh, he really get okay. Yeah. Walk away. He picked his nose. He put it on me. Nah, you saw that. He put it on me. He put it on me. What you gonna do now?
I'm looking for me.
Nah, you don't pick your
Know where
nose
he's
and put it on someone. That's equivalent to like spinning on someone. Confront me. Got you.
Mate, I got a message for you.
Oh, nah, he like me for real pushing him.
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Move.
Out of my way.
Oh, hold on. Nah, I can do that too. I can do that better. Oh, wow. Hold on. He's kind of fast. What you got? Oh, he's dead. He's dead. This dude is ruthless. I gotta put an end to this. I gotta do it. Oh. Nah, let's do it. Oh, I survived that like that. Okay. Oh, you lucky. That was for the damn random dude. Let's go. Damn, that dude. Oh! I'm coming through. Look at him waiting for me. Alright, y'all really want the business. God, you gotta hit it. Oh! Yeah, stop with that. Yo, we keep blocking me. Right in the glutes. Oh yeah, you saw. Look at that, and he's still coming at me. I'm gonna let you get some hits in. Okay, damn, I kind of hurt. Alright, you good? Oh man, I turned into a handball. Come over, bro. Put him in the trash. Yo, I'm gonna put you in the trash. Oh, how do you? Okay, they're really real. Gone.
Leave me alone, you fuck!
Gone.
It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out!
He got a knife. Why is he running away from me? Oh, he's not running no more. Okay, I'm going back. Ah! Oh, hell no. You know what? We built for this. Done. Oh my gosh, he took an elbow to the head like that. Oh! Nah, they getting way too many hits in. Oh, he made the rib shot. I'll make you turn. Okay.
Somebody fucking kill him, please!
Come over here. I'm gonna throw him out the building. They don't even know. Oh! Come over here. Oh, I threw him off. Yeah, your boy's done. Hold on, you next. Get him up. Throw him over here. Oh, I can do this. Oh, come on. Oh, I forgot the counter. What is wrong? I'm over here trying to grab him. Really. Oh, yeah. Oh, he built different. Okay. Oh, you thought you were something. Now I'm really here. Oh! Damn. Done. You're still up? Look at this, man. Oh! Pick him up. Oh, no.
Dog Eyes gonna kill you!
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston knows this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Fuck!
Oh, they don't call me.
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You
Okay,
have quite a rap
Tang.
sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir?
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against protocol...
Just tell
he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see
what
yourself
do you
out.
mean? You want to keep me?
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Nah, there won't be a next time. There won't be a next time. Don't even stress it. Hey. Oh, I got a car, the 270 DX. Whoa. I gotta see what that looking like. And I bet looking disgusting. Listen, wait, we gotta do something about this living conditions. Oh man. Alright, we not. Hey, at least we got AC. We got AC in the plasma TV. Oh, well, you got a couple jackets. Let me. Oh, hold on. We could get a drink. Let me see what's inside. Well, you ain't got nothing but an orange. Oh, you got the Chinese food there. Okay. Yo, are you serious? What was I drinking? What? All right, man. Simply, you don't care how you live. Use the toilet. Why is this an option? Okay. There you go. That one, yeah. Use the sink, please. You didn't even use no soap. Yeah, look at yourself. Disgusting. Let's go. Close that up. Turn this off. Turn this off. We can't afford to pay for. Turn the lights off at least. Let's go. Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Listen, when I told you I'm a bad driver, yo! Hold on. Nah, this is crazy. Nah, this camera is insane. Okay, we just got, we just gotta get used to it. Oh my god, I don't know where I have to go. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Oh no. Get up. Get up. Run. 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 Oh. Get up. Drive. Drive. They shooting me. It was not that crazy though. Why they gotta shoot me though? Oh my goodness. Hey, if there's one way to learn how to drive, just drive away from the police. You just gotta be thrown in the water. There we go. There we go. Look at me. Oh my. At least we made it. What do you want from me, man? Come on. I'm taking your bike. You're back. How did he get back? Who is this guy? Oh! He's dead. Yeah, he's dead. He won't need this anyways. Okay, we gotta see where we gotta go. We gotta see where we gotta go, actually. This dude is driving a moped. Get that out of here. Ooh, man. The speed you can get in this game. I can't wait to get a car.
What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted. Just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
Serious? Just like that?
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
Of course. All right. It's Ali. There we go. Hey! Did I lose health for that? What's this? Oh yeah, open. Whoa! I got 5,000. Y'all bet it? I'll bet. Oh. Hold on. I got something for y'all. Oh, one person. Oh, I tried to do them a favor, and now he got brain damage. I'm so sorry, man. Let me heal up. Show the respect. I apologize for what I just did. I apologize for a quiet drive. Let's do a little side quest real quick. Let's do a little side quest. Oh, please, ladies. Yo, look at this. I know I shouldn't be on the street, but like... Oh, wait, I should be on this line. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, do I have a gun? Oh, I would've ended that man's life. Oh! I'm tired of this town already. No one can drive. Oh, I skipped it. Hold on. Just ignore. Oh. just keep moving and go to the side quest real quick. Just ignore what just happened.
Wait. Can you help me out?
Yeah, bro, I got you. What you need?
What do you need?
A ride, but in a second.
Okay.
Alright, man. Oh, what?
What the hell?
Get in! What is this? Get in! Can you get on? Can you get on? Nah, bro. What are you doing? What are you looking at? I'm done, bro. Get shot up, bro. Get shot up. Oh! Bro, get on the... Look at this dude dodging bullets somehow. So you're not getting on. Listen. Cancel mission. Wait. Yes, cancel the mission. Cancel the mission. I don't have a two-door. I don't have a two-seater. I need to get my money up. Alright, you know what? Let's go back and do it. Let's go back and do it. Now we got a whole car. And this is fast. Stop. And I'm parked up. I'm ready.
What do you need?
A ride, but in a second.
Okay.
Alright, I got you. Get in. Hurry up. Get in here.
What the hell?
Get in. Whoa! Are you kidding me? Alright,
What the
get in
hell?
this one, get in this one, get in this one, get in this one. This is the one. And now he's not getting in. There we go.
That asshole was sleeping with my girlfriend.
Oh, he
Can't just punch
was.
a cop.
I know.
I don't blame him.
Gotta have a getaway
Back
with.
up,
Really
bro.
appreciate it.
A little warning would be nice.
Oh,
Damn!
You gonna pull this
How-
shit, you gotta
what?
learn to drive. Think about dumping that girlfriend too, alright?
well,
Look at that.
she's
Look
not
at
exactly
the
my
move. Look at the
girlfriend.
move. Look at the move.
I really like her though. She's got a nice smile. Dresses real nice.
Oh, good move.
You're not even dating her?
Not yet, man.
Just move.
Gotta be optimistic though.
Son of a bitch.
You
Is she
know,
with that
that's
guy?
good
You
energy.
mean like right now?
Come on.
We're Sun On Yi. Cops don't got anything on us.
Son of a bitch.
What a getaway. Thanks, Wei. Next time I need to hit a cop, I know who to call.
Looking like baby driver out here. You gave me a lot of trouble, but hey, I got 2,000 and a free card. Yep. Looking good now. Oh! I had to make a sharp turn. He was just wrong time, wrong place, wrong time. Oh, hold on. Let's stop by the. Just park it up, parallel park. That'll do. Let's get some clothes. What's good?
Look good. Little money.
Hey, did he just say? Oh, he just talking about the fits, that it just costs a little bit of money. Okay. Nah, them tops are, nah. Okay, we got the gray. I think I'm gonna go with those. I think I'm gonna go with these. Gray sweats, you could really match it up with some. Yeah, let me get these. Ooh, I don't want to wear them though. Oh, I got no. Now it looks stupid. Now I gotta really change the drip. For now we're gonna. Hold on. Okay, we gotta change the top though. We gotta change the top. The top. Let's go. Listen, we gotta look good when we doing what we doing. At least, man. Cause at any moment we could get shot up. I need my last moments to look fly, man. You good? Wait, ain't this?
How's it connect? You get everything
Isn't
you need?
this the guy?
No, man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dog Eyes.
Got you.
I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Alright, yeah, for sure, bro. You know what? You saw his face, he's all messed up. The least I could do is this. Well, these guys.
Hey, is Popstar around? You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer.
Okay.
Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Alright, you just gotta beat up some people. And that's what I do best. Let's go. Alright. Oh. Oh! I'm done driving right now, bro. I'm done driving after that. What the? I'm gonna throw him in the telephone booth. Hold on. Come over. Look at the dude on the right. Oh my. Yeah. Yeah. Dude. Come over here. Bring it to the telephone booth. Wait. I gotta deal with them too? Listen, I don't know what. Is this the guy I gotta deal with? Oh! Listen, I don't know if I don't think I'm ready for this life. I done murdered 18 people in the past 2 seconds. I stopped them from smoking, so you know, at least I did one good thing.
Yeah? Guess Sun On Yi will take on anyone these days.
What you got going on? Oh yeah. Now you're not doing nothing, you see? Alright, excuse me. Alright, let me purchase.
Who's that? Feng Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time.
Oh, what?
Stay cool.
Hey, you two, come over here.
Let's go.
What? No, hold on. I don't know what A is. I just pressed every button. Okay, good move. Dick. Wait, why did he say stay cool and then I immediately start running? Like, they can't even climb. Alright, we gotta go. Hold on. You about to pull out the strap. We gotta go down here. Let's keep moving. Okay. We just gotta get him more. Oh, yep, this is it. Excuse me. Good move. And now I'm gone. This motorcycle's even faster. Oh! Now this motorcycle, it has power, man. I'm not even worried about the cop. I'm worried about me driving. Okay, I don't know where I'm at now. I'm at the Dogs. Let's go. Ooh. Oh yeah.